Welcome back. We can perform several operations with our existing content. One thing that we can do is we can search videos on the specific topic. We can click on this element. We can then search videos, and we will search videos on a similar topic. Now, in some cases, these videos may or may not necessarily be fully relevant, but they are available to us to watch. We can also search images, and you'll see those images that will be available for us to have in this area. What we can also do is we can add all of this content to a specific space. We can click on space, we can create a new space, and we can give the space a name and a description. Because we have the Pro version, we can choose a default AI model, and we can give the space custom instructions. Now, this will not apply to the content that we have already generated. It will apply to new content that we will generate in that space once we have already set it up. When we click continue, the content then will be added to a specific space, and it will be the first element in that space. We can convert this content to a page. We could click on convert to page, and Perplexity will then begin to populate the page. Once the page is complete, we can choose to publish that page and make it available, or we can leave the entire page as unpublished. Hey, it's with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.